Dude. Blue collar essentials, boys. Nicotine's a bad habit. I'm not encouraging it to anyone. Gotta have the old caffeine, you know. Look, all you gotta do is watch coming in and out of that door. It's all high vis, and there's probably 25 freaking high vis hard hat guys standing in that. Oh no, in that gas station.
I want to be a blue collar worker. What do I need? What's the starter kit? I need my hat. Come on, bro. Talk to me.
You gotta have a hat, bro. You gotta have a hat. Keep that sun off your head.
Essentials. Give me top
sunnies.
5. Okay.
Gotta have a good pair of sunnies, not some crappy, cheap safety glasses that you're gonna get caught not wearing. Get you a nice pair of glasses that fit your head. Gotta have a good pair of boots. This pair of boots is from 3 years ago. Still rocking the same old essentials, you know. But when they get broke in, they're broke in. Good pair of jeans every day. I like the old Wranglers, you know what I mean? Come on. But they fit my old tush just fine. And you gotta have that high-vis shirt, dude. You can go to Dollar General and get you a $2 high-vis shirt. This ain't no high-vis shirt. What he's got on right there, you gotta have that high-vis on. You're fixing to see 15 guys with it on here in just a minute. Jeans, boots, look at them all. What's up, fellas? They gonna hit the video. They don't even know what's happening. But literally, I'm trying to help their boss man, their foreman, their super, their PM, so that hopefully they can have a better project ran here as well. And we actually, that's the Walmart home office, man. We helped at the retail layout center. We helped on the South Cups building, the North Cups building, and 2 different parking garages in the new Walmart home office.
Really?
Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm fixing to take you through everything we did down here. Come on, bud. You coming across or no? He's scaring me. He's just tiptoeing out there. His beard's out in the road, but he wasn't. You know what I mean? Come on.
A champagne popper, say I'm live. I'm a speaker, I can never love a bopper, say I'm live. I got it on right now. I had it on back then. I get it when I pop out. I'm about to go up 10. Yeah! Say I love you, you my brother, we ain't friends. If you never see me struggle,
so white, bro.
Just cause you pushing pretty.
It costs to talk to us, bro. That's a 25,000 phone call, boy. Woo!
These essential garments is the only time that I'm gone.
Grow harder, Mr. One Water, El Capitan of the ship steer.
You ain't never gonna get here. Trying to wait if the coast is clear. I got a gang with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm a stage rocker, champagne popper, say I'm lying. I'm a speaker knocker, never love a bopper, say I'm lying. I got it on right now. I had it on back then. I get a rack pop out. I'm about to go up 10. Look, if I ever say I love you, you my brother, we ain't friends. If you never see me struggle, ain't no way we gon' be kin. I got it on right now. I had it on back then. Look, I take my losses like bosses. That's the only way you gon' win. Ain't no love in this business, relentless, the road for the riches, and I'm on the interstate. I'm in the trenches, it's different. I should keep my distance, but I'm posted anyway. I just sit down in the city, she wanna get with me, but no, we ain't finna date. Just cause you bougie and pretty and someone sedated, you still get a chicken plate. Left wrist on phone, sport mode on go, fear of God, these essential garments is the only time that I'm gone. Grind harder, Mr. One Water, El Capitan of the ship steer.
Probably go to somebody in a machine or something like that, but for the worker who is an unstoppable force, Mr. Negran. Some of these will probably surprise you the rest of the way.
Mr. Mountain Member.
He's not even here.
Oh no.
Yeah, poor guy. But we're gonna have to give it to him for the guy, the worker who can literally do it all, fix our machines, do concrete, dirt. He'll hop on a pipe Traco, run a pipe ditch with you, who's always there. We got to give him a big shout out, but Mr. Bill Kibben.
Bill
Thank you,
Kibben.
Bill! Hopefully he walks in here in a minute. We'll just all start cheering.
Yeah, dude.
Damn!
He's out there shoveling some.
He's getting
Out there being versatile.
Out there cussing out everything.
the certificate of nailed it for the worker who always gets it the first time, Mr. Jesus.
Hey! Nailed it.
The certificate of the blueprint decoder for the best at reading and interpreting blueprints.
Oh,
And always bringing problems before light needed to be, Mr. Sam McKellen.
That's the blueprint, dude.
The jackhammer jester for the funniest person on the job, the one that always keeps us smiling so far this year, Mr. Marcos Lopez!
There we go.
Thank you very much.
Coming home with paper today, boy.
Yeah. I've got two more to give out here. Certificate of most productive for the worker who never stops moving. I think we should all know who that is, Mr. Ismael Lopez. I got one more to give out.
Oh, shoot.
I'm super proud of this team, but I'm super proud of this individual. He's another one that has come a really long way, and it's the Measure Twice, Cut Once Award for the most meticulous worker, which is a definite big surprise in the last year, but Mr. Dakota Stubbs. I love each and every one of you in your own ways, but we sat around and I wanted to give those out at the party, but with everybody not being there and etc., I wanted everybody to enjoy each other, but you guys have been, I know it may just seem like a little piece of paper, but I wanted to share in front of you guys that I see the small stuff that we're doing out there day in and day out that is equaling the big picture and helping us move this thing the way it's supposed to go. And I wanted to shine some light on individuals. And I know I don't probably do that enough, but thank you guys. This train's rolling. And we just need to keep our gas pedal down, and it's because of individualized efforts in the team why we keep doing what we do. So seriously, thank you guys. One more round of applause for everybody. Everybody gets a participation trophy with cake and donuts.
Oh, dude.